seriously tender, incredibly simple. The secret to amazing tacos, a symphony of textures in every bite. First up, a chili pickle. If you prefer less heat, remove the seeds. Otherwise, finely slice, seeds and all. Grate the whole carrot, even the skin. Delicious. Cut the lime in half. Combine the grated carrot and salad leaves together with a squeeze of lime juice. Toss to coat and then set aside. Thinly slice the cucumber into sticks. This Korean-inspired dish is big on flavor, as you can imagine. We'll start with the marinade. Now slice the chicken breast into strips. Drizzle olive oil into a frying pan over high heat. Cook the chicken, turning occasionally until browned and cooked through. Add the honey marinade. You're looking for the chicken to be nicely golden, and then take the pan off the heat to avoid burning. Next, the tortillas. Warm them through in 10-second bursts on a plate. Then cover them until you're ready to assemble. Adding some lime juice to a garlic aioli is a really quick and easy cheat to provide freshness and tang. The trick to the perfect taco is to get your proportions right and not overfill. Spread your aioli, then top with salad and that lovely grated carrot. Next up, the Korean-style chicken. Hot and steamy and full of flavor. Sprinkle with some crispy shallots. Add the crunchy sticks of cucumber, a drizzle of some extra lime aioli, and a hit of drained pickled chili. Have a cheeky squeeze of some lime on top. And you just know this is a fun, delicious recipe that will get the party started. Enjoy!